Hey there! Today we're diving into something that's both simple and magical. Salt. Yes, salt. This tiny ingredient is a giant when it comes to transforming the flavors and textures of our food. Let's find out how. So what exactly does salt do in our cooking? Well, first and foremost, it enhances flavor. Salt doesn't just make things salty, it reduces bitterness, which allows other flavors to shine through. Imagine eating a tomato without salt. It's just not the same, right? But there's more to salt than just taste. It also affects texture. Ever wondered why we salt meat before cooking? It's because salt helps break down the proteins, making the meat tender and juicy. And for all you bread lovers out there, salt not only strengthens the gluten in dough but also controls yeast activity, leading to a perfect rise every time. Now, onto my favorite part, the science. Salt can trigger some pretty cool chemical reactions. Take caramelization, for instance. A pinch of salt can accelerate the browning of food, enhancing both flavor and color. And let's not forget about pickling. Salt draws out moisture and promotes fermentation, turning simple cucumbers into delicious pickles. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember, salt is more than just a seasoning. It's a tool that can elevate your cooking from good to great. Experiment with it and see how it can transform your favorite dishes. Happy cooking! Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.